Good morning, everybody. Today is day 3 of Biwako Lake, Bisho, Isho of the lake, the Lake Ko, the Ko Lake.
The cold lake. Tried repair the bike, repair the cross bike, hopefully with this
Tough chain.
Panasonic 3 how do you say 3 speed high-tech mamachari to go cross bike. So I put taping, and this helped a lot yesterday, so I keep doing this today too, but this kind of rush like around here, and this is really bad, so I avoided those places, and I put some ointment for the irritated skin, so hopefully it's okay.
I am. Wow. 綺麗になってきた。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。この辺とかなんかすごい弱くなってたって言ってるんですけど、大丈夫そうですか？
弱く言うて別になんやけど、ちょっとニップルの角度が舐めてるやつがあるけど、
そうです。すいません。
一応全部貼ってるから。
ありがとうございます。すいません。1万でお願いします。すいません。ありがとうございます。Some cuts are set by. Zoom out on my phone screen. That's in. Yeah. And press recenter. We're gonna go through the tunnel. After I finish eating. Maybe I should save it for when I go mountain bike riding. Can I have a little bit of sunscreen here, or did you already put it away? I don't want to get a cool pattern on my head. Apart from the cool hair pattern there is now.
I mean, it's getting pretty hectic. Looks like it's gonna rain, but apparently it's not gonna. you.
So we did it.
Back at the car.
Back in the car.
30
Here.
minutes behind schedule, but that's better than I expected.
4:30, and we did how many kilometers?
We'll do another.
We did a 51.57 kilometers today. So about the broken spoke, the bike shop guy, we need this one, and which one of this?
The newest one.
I don't know which one, but one of them are this one. So we could use this one and this one, fortunately. So we made it. We did it. I did it. He did it. We did it.
Finished.